In this video, I'll walk you through the process of playing Dress to Impress on Roblox. If you find this guide useful, be sure to like the video and subscribe for more great tips and tricks. Playing Dress to Impress on Roblox lets you showcase your fashion sense by creating stylish outfits and competing for the best look. It's a fun way to express creativity and compete with others in a fashion-themed game. To start playing Dress to Impress on Roblox, the first thing you need to do is open the Roblox homepage on your device. This could be a laptop, PC, or another supported device. Once the page loads, locate the search box in the top panel and type in Dress to Impress. You will see the game appear in the search results shortly after typing. Click on the game title when you spot it. After that, look for the game icon, which will be visible on the screen, and click on it. This will lead you to the game's page. On this page, you will notice a large blue button with the word Play on it. Click this button to start the game, but be prepared to wait a few moments while the game loads. Before the game opens, a notification from your browser will pop up asking whether you want to open the Roblox game client. Click on the option that says Open Roblox Game Client. This step is necessary to launch the Roblox app, which you'll need to play the game. If you already have the Roblox app installed on your device, it will automatically open when you click that option. If not, the browser will prompt you to download and install Roblox. Once the installation is complete and the Roblox app opens, you will be ready to play. As soon as you click the play button, the game will begin. You will enter a city environment filled with models walking around. Your objective is to find the perfect dress for the model assigned to you. This is how you can start and enjoy playing Dress to Impress on Roblox. If you like this video, make sure to subscribe for more tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.